We're in the back of the 2018 Ford Police Interceptor utility, and what we have here is the Setina storage solution. It's designed specifically for the Ford Explorer to allow access to the rear tire. It's built with high-grade aluminum again, as most Setina products, and powder-coated black. First with a primer, then the black. It always comes with a top and a bottom. You can choose that top and bottom with a lot of different options. You can open the top or slide the top. Here we have an enclosed top with a slide-out drawer and an Rfid lock. The different options of locks they provide are no lock, T-lock with a handle, key lock with a handle, and then combination lock and then RFID lock. Each of these locks are available for the top tier or the bottom tier. And then you can also add on a sliding tray for the bottom, which we've done here. We've been provided that by Setina for this demo vehicle. And that allows you to mount your radio equipment and all of your electronics in the back of the vehicle. Colton, would you mind showing us a little bit more about this product and the installation?
Absolutely. As mentioned, Setina, great brand. They do very good high quality work. As you can see, everything here rolls out and functions easily, as it should. I'm going to go ahead and close a few of them up. We'll show you a few of the features of the RFID locks that are available. And then we can go into the details regarding the installation procedures and also a little bit more information on the setup that you'll need to do in order to get it installed. So, as mentioned, the RFID style locks that we have available to us from Setina actually incorporate a digital reader on the front face of it. Whenever you want to access it, you have two different options on the RFID. You also have your cards, and you as well have the admin key. That's in case, of course, the battery runs out or if the cards fail to work at some point. This will act as the power supply source and also to unlock it. It's easy to use. On the front face of it here, you actually have a few pins that will line up with the same face that's inside of the reader. Once you take and place that in, you'll hear a nice confirmation beep, and you can roll your lock down or up to unlock or lock. Once that's done, you'll hear it again. You'll be able to open the drawers. This lock, of course, whenever you turn it, you may be able to see this pin here. When these are closed and full, this will actually lock the top, and it will as well lock the secondary drawer also. The third drawer, which is your radio drawer, still is accessible for maintenance purposes and so forth. Go ahead and show you the actual key cards. On these key cards, there's a front button right here on the reader. You press this button, take the key card itself, wave over the front, same style noise that you hear, the beep happens, you turn your lock, you'll be able to open and access the drawers. Each one of these drawers, as you can see from the interior here, are outfitted with a nice rubber mat. That helps with your weapons, any other storage items you have, to keep them from moving, and as well keep down the scratches and so forth that you may have with metal on metal. If you store an AR or any pistol, shotgun, something like that, you of course don't want to mar up your weapon because metal on metal. So go ahead and close this up. Secondary drawers and third drawer for the radio. You can see that you'll press the two yellow tabs on the side. It will release and open up. When you get this in the second drawer, you will find a nice sized box that's in there that will include the brackets and the hardware kit that's available. For the video purpose, we've taken those out so that we can show them to you here. And same thing, we again have a rubber mat that's on the interior of the box.
Colton, I see the holes in the back of the box there. Is that for running your wire?
It is. In a lot of these, you can either put your equipment in the second drawer, or if you'd like, you can put it in the lower drawer. Okay, both of these will allow you essentially to run your wires out of the back. If you have, whether it's Whelan's Carbide or Syncom systems, Federal with their SS2000 or SS3000, you can mount all of that equipment in here, put your fuse blocks, run your cabling out, and affix it to the rear where there's additional smaller holes to zip tie and hold those wires and wind in place. Close that up. Show you the bottom one here. Same thing, two yellow tabs. Grab it, slide out, and that'll give you a clean drawer right here. This one, of course, doesn't have a rubber mat as it was intended for the purpose of equipment. Again, same holes there in the back here. There's three of them. These holes again also coordinate with smaller holes in the rear so that you can attach and affix all the wiring that you need. On the side of it here, you may notice 2 bolts, a nice little ear tab that's on the side. These 2 bolts will actually go into the brackets, which are mounted right here below them and in the rear. Talking about ease of installation, Setina makes their products very easy to install. They make sure that it is a quick, simple setup solution, whether it's for a police department, a fleet of vehicles, security, or if it's a private use vehicle as well. In the bottom of it, you still have access to be able to lift and then pull out your panel as necessary. That will still provide you full access to your tire and everything that you need, and also the jack, of course, that is included. Whenever you run your wiring inside of it, that will easily make it possible for you to get into the back here, where a lot of times installers will take and tuck their wires down and run it under the rear panels also. So it'll help out with maintenance and so forth as well.